Metal roof. I want to show you a unique problem, and a lot of people could face this. If you did this on your roof, you could have a problem. All right, so don't do this or check these areas. So we fixed every screw is sealed. Every screw. You can see all the screws, we sealed them. All right, but here's the thing that you never should do, and they did this, and I'm going to show you what they did wrong. You see the vertical seam here, very slippery here, the vertical seam, this vertical seam here, this is where the panels overlap, and what happened is they sealed this with a tape. Let me show you. I want to show you where it is so we can fix this. Okay, I'm going to go up. It's very slippery. I may fall. Very slippery. My wife is sliding too. All right, so here's the problem. You cannot seal these seams because you'll cause problems. See there? Look. All right. And look, they caulked it.
You think we should have the roof resprayed again?
No! But water gets in somewhere at the top here, and then it gets into the seam here, and you're causing more. So let me open the seam up. The tape they put in, whatever water gets in there, and it will cause problems. Oh, sliding. So, all right. And this is rust there. You see the rust? Look at the rust. You don't want water. You don't want to seal that. If you cannot. So this is a problem. And then water. What happens? The water fills up in this behind us, and water fills up and cannot get out. No, you don't seal the roof. You never seal the roof. Never, because it's not rusted. You're making more rust. Now I found some rust spots because the water was sitting.
Still sits there.
Sits there. Yeah, you don't want it. You don't want that to do that. You only want to fix the leaks, not seal the entire roof. Because the entire roof is coated with factory coating.
Right.
Yeah, you don't need to do anything. So you got to. This has to be open. Has to be. You cannot. That's why I open it up so water can get through.
Yeah. No, one that day. Yeah.
All right, sweetheart, we're done. Vámonos.